Calling all content creators and live streamers. We have you covered for your next shoot. The innovative MeVIDEO triple head cold shoe from Benro is the perfect mounting tool for your productions. Featuring a robust metal construction, this triple cold shoe includes a removable 1/4-20 hot shoe adapter for quick camera mounting. Easily attach up to 3 cold shoe accessories to your camera rig to enhance your production value. Attach microphones, receivers, monitors, lights, and more. Use it in conjunction with Benro's mini ball head available separately to give you even more flexibility when mounting. Check out the rest of MeVideo's accessories for content creators and live streamers. Benro's MeVIDEO Series Triple Head Cold Shoe is the perfect tool for a content creator's toolbox. What are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.